It is very tough and confusing to remember all the math formulas in one go. So here are 8 ways which helps you to remember all the math formulas in an easy manner. The first way is to develop interest in the subject. It is very important to have interest in the subject or the concept that you are going to study. It is always easier to learn something that interests you. The second way is to use mnemonics, and it is a powerful tool to memorize informations. Mnemonics are used to recall informations with less effort and greater speed. The most popular mnemonic is PEMDAS, and the phrase is please, excuse, my dear Aunt Sally. And this PEMDAS is used in the order of operations. So likewise, you can also make your own mnemonics to learn math formulas. The next way is to use visual memory. When you connect something with visuals, it is always easy to learn the concept. Attaching a visual to each math formula will always help you to remember all the math formulas. Let's see an example here. The fourth way and the most important way is practice, practice and practice. Give yourself exercises. You might have heard that practice makes man perfect. I always tell my students to write the formulas first and then substitute and solve the question. Do you know the reason? It's because repetition leads to memorization. The fifth way is to write down the math formulas. Our brain tends to remember things that we write repeatedly. So writing math formulas in a sheet of paper will always help you. The sixth way is to stick the math formulas on your wall. After you finish writing the math formulas in a sheet of paper, make sure that you will stick it on your wall in your room. By this method, you will be able to recall all the formulas quickly. The seventh way is to revise what you have learned before you go to bed. It is really important that you will revise the math formulas before you go to sleep. It's because your brain has chances of remembering it. The last way is don't get distracted. Give less attention to everything that distracts you and focus only on what you want to learn. Now you have got all these smart tricks to learn better. So start using them and make your learning process more fun, productive and efficient. Bye and thanks for watching.